Today's issue is that sometimes the SIM shows connected and sometimes it shows disconnected. Let's see how to fix this issue on the iPhone 14 Pro. After opening the display, I checked the SIM slot and found that one pin was missing. That means the problem has been found. Now replacing the SIM slot will fix it. Now I'll take out the logic board and remove the SIM slot using a SIM slot cutter. I need to clean the solder from the back first. Then use the cutter to break it apart and remove it piece by piece. Now the SIM slot pin solder needs to be cleaned properly. Now let's see under the microscope how to place the new SIM slot from the packet. I'll solder the point slightly. Then I'll place the SIM slot and solder it properly on the points. Now I'll place the logic board back and reconnect all the connectors. Now I'll power it on and check the SIM. Yes, the SIM slot is working properly. Thank you.